Hey guys, it's your girl Kie Rashon. Welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I get from this to this, then stay tuned. Oh, but don't forget to subscribe down below. All right, let's go. All right guys, so first things first, I need to get my wig together. This is just how it looks getting it right out of my little packaging. I've had this wig for like, I don't know, 3 years now. It's a lace front, but it's like a synthetic, cheap synthetic lace front. But I don't know if I want to do a side part or a middle part. I'm definitely gonna have to get rid of this little flip situation here. I'm not a Stepford wife. I don't want the flip. Ooh. Nope. I think I'm feeling the middle part. Middle part will do, but see how when I shifted it, it's longer on one side. Dang it. Bump it a little bit and then call it a day. Now I don't do baby hairs because I don't know how to do them. They just never come out looking right for me. I'm just going to use my Hicks edges to put some on this so-called baby hair that I'm trying to form. That's how some people's bangs be looking. Let's get into the face. I'm going to use probably a mixture of palettes. So yeah. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with my Blowout Lashes by Kiss. So this is the packaging. This is what they look like. It's a multi-pack. So they have like a little curve to them, so that's why I wanted to try them out. They're a little bit thinner. They're not as full as I wanted them to be, but you know what? Maybe I can double them up. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my foundation. Now, I got a tan, but I feel like, so the color I normally use in my Maybelline Superstay foundation is Warm Coconut, but I do have Mocha, but Mocha is too red for me. but I have a tan, and so if I use warm coconut, it's gonna be too light. So I'm gonna do mocha first, and then if I need to lighten it up, then I'll put warm coconut on top. Ooh, that's dark. Wouldn't say it's dark, it's definitely red. I ain't that tan. Alright, so I'm gonna try to use a brush this time to blend out my concealer. And I'm also gonna go back over it with my foundation brush. I'm not gonna add any more foundation to it, I'm just gonna have them both. And I saw that technique from, I believe her name is Princess Bella on YouTube and on Instagram and on Facebook. And she does that, and I thought it was a pretty unique technique that I was not doing. So I wanted to try it out and see if it works for me. This is just an Ulta brush. It's for Angled Foundation, but we're gonna see how it does. On this blending situation. Ooh, that's nice. Ooh, y'all, I am liking this brush. Yes, I am loving the brush technique. So I'm gonna use my new Too Faced Born This Way setting powder. It's the Ethereal setting powder, and this is in the color medium. And it does have like a yellow tint to it, so let's see how it works with me. Take my Fit Me pressed powder in the color Mocha and just set the rest of my face. Alright, I was going to brush the rest of my Alright, then I'm going to go in with my True Complexion Contour Palette, the medium to dark by Black Radiance. This is the Vivid Hot Lacquer in the color Retro by Maybelline. This is Fire Dancer by NYX, and it's Slip Tease. I don't even know when I got this color. I'm gonna try Submissive. It's just like a purpley color, but I'm gonna see if I can mix it with the two. Yeah, the purple definitely gave me the color that I wanted, the darkness I needed. All right, guys, so this is the finished look. In the beginning, I didn't really know where I was going with it, and then as I started doing it, I realized I was kind of going after the look that Princess Bella posted on her channel yesterday. It was on her Facebook live feed, so if you didn't see that live, it was amazing. It was like 2 hours long, but still, it was amazing. She had a lot of good techniques in there, and I wanted to try them out, and I think it came out okay. I'm feeling myself. I'm getting better at the cut crease. I didn't use all the same makeup products that she did. Again, I didn't know I was going for this look until I started doing it. So, here we go. I feel real regal because I look bomb. B-O-M-B. Blow up. Boom. God dang. Y'all know I love regal. Regalness. You know, your highness, queen. If you guys like this look, give it a thumbs up. Please like and subscribe and comment on my channel. I really, really appreciate the feedback. I love interacting with you guys. How's it look up close? Alright guys, so I will see you very, very, very soon. I love y'all. Bye.